Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. What letter do you see on your screen? Exactly, that is letter Z. Today, we're going to discuss about the words beginning with the sound of the letter Z. In this lesson, you will recognize pictures and read words beginning with the sound of the letter Z. Are you ready? Z is a letter in the alphabet. This is an uppercase letter Z. How to write the uppercase letter Z? Use one stroke to write the uppercase letter Z. Start at the blue headline. Slide right. Slide left to the blue baseline. Slide right. This is a lowercase letter Z. How to write the lowercase letter Z? Use one stroke to write the lowercase letter Z. Start at the red midline. Slide right. Slant left to the blue baseline. Slide right. Once again, this is the uppercase and lowercase letter Z. Z is a consonant and it has a sound. The letter Z sounds as Z, Z, Z. Zebra, Zeppelin, zero, zigzag, zipline, zipper, zinnia, zombie, zoo, zoom, zucchini. Once again, these are the words beginning with the sound of the letter Z. Zebra, Zeppelin, zero, zigzag, zinnia, zipline, zipper, zombie, zoo, zoom, zucchini. Are you ready? Say the name of each picture. Put a check mark on the picture if its name begins with the sound of the letter Z. Put a cross mark if not. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. Let's check your answers. 1. Sun. Cross. 2. Zipper. Check. 3. Zero. Check. 4. Snake. Cross mark. 5. Zebra. Check mark. 6. Zoo. Check. 7. Sandals. cross mark. 8. Zigzag. Check. Practice writing the letter Z on your notebook.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.